Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech again, and this time, this is a laptop that's been sitting for 6 years, hasn't been used, and I don't know what's on it, and I don't even know if it starts. I do know that it doesn't have a hard drive right now, but we will be seeing together if it will start. Hey guys, we're back with the HP G60 computer. I did wipe it off camera. I used D-Ban, Derek's Boot and Nuke. And we wiped the hard drive. It's a little later at night, but a few days later, but let me show you what we got. Let's go F1 there. And no bootable device, which is saying there's nothing on the hard drive. So, in the next video, we're going to replace the keyboard and the CMOS battery. And in the video after that, we'll install an operating system. I don't know which one yet. So stay tuned. If you liked this and enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And we'll catch you next time.